Hey everyone, today, we're unboxing this compact and powerful mini projector. Let's see what's inside the box. First up, we've got the projector itself, lightweight and super portable. Next, we have the power cable, remote control, and a user manual. Now let's power it on and test it out. The built-in speaker is decent for indoor use, but for better sound, you can connect Bluetooth speakers or earbuds easily. You can also connect a wireless or wired mouse using the USB port. You can adjust the focus and keystone for a sharper image. Popular apps like Netflix and Prime Video are already installed, and you can download more from the Play Store. Next, go to Settings, select Wi-Fi, and connect to your network. The built-in speaker is decent for indoor use, but for better sound, you can connect Bluetooth speakers or earbuds easily. The picture quality is impressive for the price, clear visuals and good brightness in low light conditions. To stream videos from your phone, just use the screen mirror option. It works wirelessly. Check out the product link in the description below.